In this video we will look at the Hytera VM550D body-worn camera. The battery can be removed by releasing the catch at the base of the body cam and sliding the base towards the front. The battery can then be pulled out with the attached dab. The belt clip can be removed by releasing the catch at the top of the unit and sliding it upwards. To use the body cam with the harness, a stud adapter needs to be attached. Slide the stud onto the body cam and tighten the crosshead screw. To power on the unit, hold the grey button for 3 seconds. To begin video recording, press the large PTT or the button below with the video camera symbol. To stop recording, press the same button. To record audio only, press the smaller orange button. To take a photo, press the button with the camera symbol. To view any media on the body cam, press the M button. Enter the password. In this case 123456. Use the left and right buttons to navigate through the media and the play-pause button to confirm any choices. To charge the body cam, peel back the rubber dust cover on the side of the radio and charge with the USB cable provided. This cable can also be used to connect the body cam to a computer or laptop to download any footage. The LED on the front of the body cam will turn green when fully charged.